Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Turbo Flutter versus Supercharger Whine. We'll explore the unique auditory signatures of these two distinct forced induction systems. Understanding their origins helps appreciate the engineering behind each. We'll delve into what causes these sounds and how they contribute to the overall driving experience, offering a clear distinction between them. Turbo flutter is that distinctive choo-choo sound often heard when a turbocharged engine's throttle is suddenly lifted. It's caused by compressor surge, where air, having nowhere to go, flows backward through the compressor wheel. While some find it appealing, excessive flutter can put stress on the turbocharger's components, potentially reducing its lifespan over many thousands of miles. The supercharger whine is a truly iconic sound, a high-pitched, almost mechanical symphony that accompanies engine acceleration. Unlike turbo flutter, this whine is a constant companion, present from low revolutions per minute all the way to the red line. It's generated by the precise meshing of gears and the rapid compression of air within the supercharger unit, a direct result of its belt-driven operation. The core difference lies in their nature. Turbo flutter is an intermittent sound, a byproduct of pressure fluctuations, whereas supercharger whine is a continuous, deliberate auditory signature. While flutter can signal a momentary inefficiency, the whine is a constant reminder of the supercharger's direct, linear power delivery. Each sound offers a unique connection to the engine's performance, providing distinct feedback to the driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.